Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to add a digital signature in your Microsoft Excel worksheet. So click on File, Info, then click this drop down and here click on Add a digital signature. Now select commitment type. Now type purpose for signing this document. Then click on Sign. So you will see your signature has been successfully saved this with this document. Here you will see the setting. This document is signed. Any edits made to this document will invalidate the digital signature. So if you are sure you want to edit anyway, click here. Click on yes. So this way you can add digital signature. Thanks for watching.